Do you find the markets chaotic? Do you find that you're buying when everyone else is selling? And do you find yourself selling when everyone else is buying? Do you find yourself making money only to give it back? You see, folks, making money in the market really is quite easy. Keeping that money, keeping it day in, day out, week in, week out is what's difficult. So let us try to simplify for you what we do here at Stock Market Caddy and show you some of the tools that we use. Please understand that these tools are available to you either as a member, a monthly member, or if you want these tools on your own computer, you can become an annual member. But everything you see here could be on your computer as early as tomorrow. So let me first show you the date. Today is Christmas, New Beginnings, December 25th, 2019, and the markets will open at about 6 o'clock and we'll be off and running again. So this market is gold. And let me show you something. First, this is Swing Machine. And it told us on a 5-minute basis, to buy gold 56 5-minute segments ago, or to buy gold at 9:10 in the morning on December 24th, just yesterday. And yes, the gold markets were open yesterday morning. It said to buy at 1494.60, a futures contract. And if you had, you would be up $980. The 5-minute trend is strong. It's trending up. The distant trend is trending up. And the altimeter is all green. In fact, there is really no reason to come out. But if you had, you'd have $980 less a couple of bucks commission in your pocket. Now, learning to use Swing Machine is very doable. It's very different. And you can actually trade without using a chart. But if you want to use a chart, this is just one of the charts that we use. And let me show you where that entry would have been. So let me go here. The entry price was $14.94.60. 1494.60. So let's just come here. 1494. Right here. Right here. And that's exactly where, on this particular chart, we teach our students and our private members to buy. Because you see, if you bought even here, each one of these boxes on the gold contract is $100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's your $900. And you're probably looking, well, I could have bought here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you could have bought here. And you could have bought here. And you could have sold here. Because you see, in this mishmash here, we don't buy or sell. We only buy when the green boxes are above what we call the divot tool, and when the red boxes are underneath the red divot tool. What is the divot tool? Well, ask any golf coach. A golf coach can stand behind a golfer after he has swung the club and hit the ball, and he can tell the path of the club by looking at the divot. This is the divot tool. As long as you stay above the divot and buy, you will make money on the long side. As long as you stay out of the market or short the market when it's underneath in red, you'll make money on the short side. If you have a hard time seeing that, you can use the Pocket Caddy. This is all green. This tells us when we're above, in red when we're below. And when it's in chop, it'll also tell us when we're in chop because it'll turn yellow. This particular indicator is what we call the Stock Market Caddy GPS. Just like on a golf course, you have a GPS. When the GPS is above the zero line, it is one that is going up, and you'd want to be looking at buying. And it also shows you the momentum. Now, neither of these, please understand, they do not use moving averages, and it is not the MACD. Although it's a histogram, it is not a rebaked MACD at all. When the GPS is under the zero line, you want to be short. And when it starts to peak out, you might want to start thinking about booking your profit. Now, if you find the boxes distracting to your eye, let me show you something. We can come here, format symbol, go to style, and zero them out. And now you have just the divot tool. Where do you want to buy? Right here. And in case you didn't see it, we even have buy dots and sell dots. Here was a buy. Here was a buy. Here was a buy. This was a sell. This was a buy. Between the swing machine and between the charts and the proprietary tools, very, very simple, the divot marker, the buy and sell dots, the GPS tool for momentum, and then the pocket caddy. We try to take what appears to be chaotic action in the market and simplify it. Let me show you oil. Here is oil. Oil on a 5-minute basis at 5:20 a.m. yesterday morning, had you bought oil at $60.61, you'd be up $530. Where is $60.61? And we're down in here, right in here. So let's do the same. Let's come here. Let's zero out all the boxes. In this case, each box is worth $60. This is a buy dot. Now 60.61 is up here, but you could have been thinking about buying here, or buying here, or buying here, or buying here, or buying here. Or over here you could have been selling, selling, selling. Now, just from what I've told you, look at the GPS. When and where do you want to start thinking about getting long? Right here. Very nice trade. Where and when do you want to start thinking about getting short? How about right here? Now, we did have some false moves, but they could not false, short moves. Nothing is false in the market. It is what it is. But you could have made money, and you can see the pocket caddy. And here you get to see the higher pivots. These are actually low pivots, making higher, one's higher than the other. And same thing with the swing highs, higher swing highs. When the highs are pivoting and making higher highs, you're going up. Same thing with the lows. When the highs are making lower highs and we're making lower lows, we're going down. I only have 10 minutes here on YouTube, so do me a favor. First, if this is helpful to you or you found this interesting, push the like button. Feel free to subscribe. It's free. But if you're interested in trading for the markets and you want to do something that nobody else is doing, nobody else, they're taking something that is chaotic and they're making it even more chaotic with moving averages, with stochastics and MACDs and ADX and this and that and that and this indicator. We make it simple. And if you want to join for a month, it's $99.95 a month. Once you join on our website, I invite you to go there. It'll tell you a bit more about us. You can go there and join. And that will start the process, and we'll send you your passwords on how to access the videos. If you want to join on an annual basis and get these tools on your computer, please call me, 813 758-8263. We have been doing this now close to a trading swing machine now, close to 15 years. We are not new to the markets. We trade our own money. I'm not a broker. I'm not a broker. I'm not a financial advisor. We're about dancing with the markets. We don't want to fight the markets. The markets are the final arbiter. You either learn to dance with them or you go broke. You can't fight the market. I'm Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy. Feel free to give us a shout. Thank you.